It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So, good afternoon. What time of day is it now? I'm not going to waste no time. I find one nice young lady to talk to, so we're inquisitive in our business. Because she's a part of the Richard Brown Films team, so we're going to fast in our business, find out what we can about her. So, there she is, people. The beautiful Amanda. So, Amanda, where are you from, first of all?
I'm from Clarendon.
We're in Clarendon.
Maybe in Clarendon, I stay in Maypin sometimes, and I play in Jameshill sometimes.
Alright, because I know your friends say Clarendon, all of people over here say Clarendon bad place. So, I just go allow the person who come from Clarendon to tell me about them experience with Clarendon. So, make we begin right there. Tell me about Clarendon, where
Clarendon
you
no bad. Clarendon no bad.
Hold on. Oh boy, me wouldn't defend my place, so, but me different. But I guess everybody else are different in place regardless. But
Every time when you keep up the topic.
But alright, hold on now. Clarendon don't bad. Zine, tell me some of my good things about Clarendon.
Good things them.
Talk loud so them can hear.
Good things about Clarendon now. Me enjoy Clarendon peace. To me, when you say everybody no bad. We live at one place, quiet and safety. You're not in a trouble, you're not in a wrongdoings. So if anybody will not do that, you're not gonna find it's a bad place.
Alright then, but you would agree so Clarendon is one of them places where we have basic head people. You don't agree with that though, not true?
Clarendon is a no
I can't beat it. Your place you have to defend your
Clarendon is a no
place.
nonsense place. I just that body. I don't want bad place.
Alright, cool. Well, come on for the Clarendon thing now. So, movies. How long have you been passionate about acting and doing movies?
Passionate. From high school days.
What high school was that?
I attended Edwin Allen High School.
Edwin Allen?
Yes, the Edwin Allen High School.
So them have like drama class and them something?
Yes, theater art.
So you have no training or no program for acting on you usually go on?
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about that now.
Normally go JCDC
Mm-hmm.
for acting. Go JCDC for dancing. Edwin Allen have a whole combination of things to itself. One of the best school, Edwin Allen.
Alright, that is debatable because mother said man in school are the best school now. Me have to defend my school, I'm to you.
Yeah, idiot.
Me have to defend my school. Alright, tell me what makes your school Edwin Allen so special. What makes Edwin Allen the best school in Jamaica? Tell me. May I get an opportunity? Tell me.
Edwin Allen, they have a great team, a great staff to help all kids and every kids. You understand? Everything combined at Edwin Allen. Opportunities at Edwin Allen. When you go, you take up your book and you have a talent, you have a skill, then push you. Then you just make you stay at one place.
Alright, so you see how the staff at Edwin Allen now make Edwin Allen the best high school. Alright, cool. Me would say the reason why man in school are the best is because not just the culture, as in say be a white pitney used to go there and the history and we don't beat it, we have to defend the thing. So, alright, you started at Edwin Allen. After there, you do any kind of acting apart from with Richard Brown?
No, I didn't.
So, last question now, before I make you just go down in I think tell about your Instagram and all of that. How has the experience been for you with Richard Brown? How has the experience been from you just got here until now?
The experience was amazing. Everybody work as one, you don't feel left out. You just come like one family. You're comfortable, you can be yourself because in acting you just can't be yourself. And you can be yourself in a Richard Brown film.
I like how that sound. I think we have one last question. Oh, your Instagram. Tell your Instagram.
You can follow me on IG on Jessica Thomas 3695.
Alright, I hear that, people. So I don't know if I left out no question. Oh, you have one man? No people want to know that.
If me have one man,
Yeah.
man shot. Me don't have no man now. Jamaica man just
You're
one.
single now?
Yeah, single.
What? Me know you know. Why you single?
Ah, Jesus Christ. I go on a business no man.
Me not going further than that. I just want to know, as me certain people that I watch, want to know why you're single.
Single can be single. I'm in a relationship. Congratulations.
Alright, Amanda, but I'm pressure you no longer. Thank you for coming out here with me. I get people and see you hug me up. I'm gonna get a nice hug up from Amanda, the nice background. And you plan to come back on some acting?
Of course, most definitely.
She'll leave today, so I'm gonna miss her already. You make no friends? Tell them about the friend them you make.
Meet Bieber.
You meet Rastafari. Tell them about Bieber. Tell them about Bieber.
Bieber straightforward. Otherwise, as Eve straightforward. Jovial. You can't run Bieber and you have one face like this. You get no problem.
But differently do you know? Sometimes I can't stand her. Sometimes I can't stand her.
If you can't stand her, you sit her. Because you have to just live with it or you dead with it.
Where say I can't stand her, I sit her?
You sit her. If you can't stand her, you just sit her.
I love her, man. I IG that. Bieber, big up yourself. So, when I hear from nice Amanda, how long she has loved acting, where all that I come from, and hold on there. Pull that something upon me there. Let me see that. Who this is calling me? Mr. Richard Brown himself. Where you say now, Mr. Brown? Up a golf course. Yeah, alright, we're soon forward now. So, Mr. Richard Brown on the phone, people. I don't want to bust a game. So, thank you. Yeah, I do one video, but we are going to use the night same. Can you call me and I make live video? Alright, we are forward right now. Mr. Brown can't hurry me. I'm not going nowhere. Right, that's how we are still. Tell them to subscribe, Amanda. Tell them to subscribe to Akin. Then we do it if you tell them.
Subscribe to Akin.
And like the video, yeah.
Share, comment, support. Just support the team. Everybody I trying people.
And we'll get some banger photos video right here so you know before you go. So look. How that look?
Right there.
Yeah. So tell them bye, come now, come back from the camera. See you next time. A joke. And thank you people, thank you for 3,000 plus subscribers. Don't worry on yourself. Me have entertaining stuff coming up. I don't want to say full length movies because I don't tell you how that go in our previous videos, but stay tuned for some entertaining, immersive content later.